So we have garlic, ground turkey, onions,
That's for that. And
organic coconut milk, bean sprouts. This is lettuce,
cucumbers,
3 baby cucumbers,
chili.
mint. This is not regular mint. What kind of mint is this? Mint and what is this?
A green onion.
Green onions and mint.
Then after you're done mincing it, you're gonna brown it in a pan here. Keep tossing and turning around until it turns nice golden brown. Then after that, then you put ground turkey in. And this gonna go with ground turkey too. So it's nice golden brown. Okay, from here, we got it.
So we added the whole package.
Then add some mushroom seasoning. Some salt. Okay, that's good enough. And that's it. You know when it's cooked, when all these juices, it dries up. Then you know when there's turkey meat is, completely cooked.
And we're gonna let it cool down.
Leave it like that.
The ground beef is ready. The filling. Okay, so we have 2 bags.
Well, I'm gonna make only 1 bag.
This one we haven't tried yet, right?
Yeah. Flour for rice pancake. Oh, okay.
This one we have tried, right? We have tried this one.
Yeah.
Why is this one not yellow? This one's not yellow.
The bag this bag one is yellow, the bag is white. But when you mix with water, put turmeric in there, the flour turns water.
It turns yellow.
Turns yellow. Ready mix. Oh. So អានេះអត់មាននេះទេណា Oh, អានេះវាលាយនេះឲ្យស្រាប់ទៅហើយ turmeric. But I want I want to add some of my own turmeric. Okay.
Turmeric powder.
Sticky. You don't want it too watery, okay? And or too thick. This is too thick. A bit more water. Okay.
Putting 1 egg
Let's do 8.
in.
Yeah, and then go with it. Okay. And then a can of coconut milk. I think inside here is like watery, right? Is it? That Dr. A. And you chop some green onion and pour it in here.
There's already some green onion bits that were included in the bag.
Mm-hmm.
Those are what the black dots
Yeah.
in there are.
It's still too thick now. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. It's perfect like that. Yep. Okay. And that's it. Add some in there. It looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Done. Okay. Okay. You just put double like this is fine too. Okay. Nước chiên cám. Ba chị ta mặc dây màu.
That looks like regular mint, right?
Mm-hmm. I always call this cheese bạch đầu.
Oh,
It's the shape of a heart. Okay. And that's it. Anh ấy đây ở đâu? Đây đồ liên người sạp thôi, đây nhưng là chặt cho Banh Xeo. Liên việc ở hỏng, tốt thời.
we have the fire on. Pot is hot.
I think this one is kind of too thick. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water.
So we have the mixture. We have oil. Is that oil?
Mm-hmm. Grapeseed oil.
Grapeseed oil, bean sprouts, and the filling.
Yeah, this is perfect. I try one, see how it looks.
Okay, so we're wiping the pan with some oil.
Mm-hmm.
You can probably use any oil, but we're using grapeseed oil.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Try one first. See how it's like. I don't think the pan is hot enough. I always do the test work first with a little bit like that. And let it sit for a little bit, and then when this thing is cooked, you put ground turkey in here and bean sprouts.
You can see that it's getting cooked because it's becoming more yellow and the white stuff are disappearing.
Put that back in here. Some bean sprouts. Okay. And let's just wait. Let me see. It's not sticky. So I usually wait for a few minutes until the bottom cake here turn like brown. This one looks really good. Yeah.
Fold it over.
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Yeah. Looks. Yeah.
Wow.
Now you can put meat and bean sprouts.
Okay, now I fold it over.
No, wait until it turns brown.
This is how you prepare it. You put the lettuce first.
Yeah, tear some of these lettuce in a bowl. More?
Yeah, that's it.
And put some cucumber and mint. How much mint you like? More? Okay. And
I tried to pull that one out. Kind of
Okay.
messed it up.
and then put some peanut, ground peanut.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce, yeah. And we don't have any like chili pepper.
It's okay. I don't want spicy.
Okay, that's it.